Told that subtracting 1 over 10 from x gives the same result as multiplying x by 1 over 10. We can set up an equation like this. The best thing to do here is to get rid of the fractions before we try and do anything else, and therefore I'm going to times it through by 10. What that essentially means is I'm timesing the entirety of the left-hand side by 10, which is the same as expanding a single bracket essentially. So I times the x by 10 to give me 10x, and I times the minus 1 over 10 by 10 to give me minus 1. And then on the right-hand side, we get x. So we can now solve this. I would probably minus the x's first. So I'm going to minus x on both sides to give 9x minus 1 equals 0. Don't forget the 0. And then 9x is equal to 1. You could add the 1 first and then minus the x. The order doesn't matter. Should get 9x equals 1 either way. And then x is going to be 1 over 9e. Just so you could do it without multiplying 3 by 10. It's just that then you would end up doing x minus 1 over 10x, and you'd get 9 over 10x minus 1 over 10 equals 0. So 9 over 10x is equal to 1 over 10. At this point, you'd end up timesing 3 by 10. You could divide 3 by 9 over 10. It's, either way, really, you're going to get 9x equals 1 and then x equals 1 over 9. It's just good practice to get rid of the fractions because there's more awkward questions that you can have where you might get a half in there and 1 over 10, and you can just multiply through by the lowest common multiple. In any case, 1 over 9 is the answer.